Almost 3 weeks ago, one biggest awaited IPO was listed. That was Ola Electric, and the way it had zoomed, no, it listed around 76, and it has gone up to 146 level. At one time, at 146, its valuation was about Tesla. Tesla, one of the biggest automaker in the world, electric vehicle automaker in world in US. Now that was the position of Ola, when it reached 146. Now, what is buzzing in is Ola Electric, and at this level, currently it is around 128 level. Now, at this level, it has come down from almost 10 to 15% down from the top. Whether you should buy this stock or not, and that is what we are going to talk in detail, because this is one of the most promising electric vehicle stock which has come, and it has given extraordinary premium. Now the valuation is quite high, but let us understand the future prospect, because if the future prospects are good, then not a problem. But if the future prospect, there is a the shaky, whether they are able to get that type of profitability or not to justify the valuation they are getting, that is what we have to check. So let us talk in detail about Ola Electric, and many investors ask me about this stock. So let us go to, I've done a complete presentation which will help you to understand from A to Z about Ola Electric. So let me start with that. And before I go, guys, if you want any stock to be analyzed from our side, do let us know. You can put it in the, you can say that, comment box down, and I'll take it forward, maybe next video and another one or two video. Okay, so let us talk about Ola Electric, guys. If you talk about quarter one financial 25, that already you can say that no result is out, and almost 1718 crore total income, which is 34.32% year on year increase. We let us see some of the financial metrics before I go to detail about the stock. Again, delivery is almost 77.4% up from year end, so massive growth coming. Again, adjusted gross margin is almost 21.94%, which is on a lower side, because still the company is not making profitability. It is having an EBITDA margin level negativity, and that is why most of the investors are thinking whether whether one should invest in this stock or not. But the biggest thing which is pushing the complete Ola Electric is nothing but 49%, almost 49% share in electric two wheeler. Now this is a massive share, guys, because at the end of the day, by 2030, if you see any segment which will become electrical, if you talk about automobiles like two wheeler, four wheeler, three wheeler, passenger vehicle, consumer vehicle, two wheeler will be the number one who will be converted completely into electric, and that is why they are having a 45% share. If you see here, let us understand that data completely. So this is the comparison, no, the recent data till the month of June, and how electric vehicle is ahead of other peers. If you see Ola Electric is having an almost 2,69,000 sale, okay, electric vehicle sale. The next is TVS Motor, that is 1,09,000. Then Bajaj Auto is almost 84,000. So you can see there is a massive difference between the two, almost double than the second player. If you see July, it was 41,000, and now TVS Motor was 19,000. When we talk about June, it was 36,000 Ola Electric, TVS Motor 14,000. I also made a video on TVS Motor, guys. If you want, I'll put it in the comment box. No, you can go and check it out. Sorry, it will be there in the description. You can check about TVS Motor also. But you can see here there is a massive difference between the first player and the second player, and this is where now Ola Electric has done remarkably well in taking the market share, and you can see then, if you take out first five players, 5 to 6 players, rest are very small players. So this is where no Ola Electric has a no edge compared to competitors. And these are the four models, which is working very well for Ola Electric, like S1 Air, okay, S1 Pro, S1 X, and S1 X Plus. So these are some of the model which is working very well for Ola Electric. When we talk about operating highlights, guys, strong quarter and quarter jump, reaching, as I told you, the share reaching almost 49%, which is quite a good jump. Again, robust distribution and more than 750 experience centers, largest E2W electric vehicle 2W distribution network in tier 2, 3, 4 markets. So very good position. Again, if you talk about electric vehicle industry penetration, See, guys, by the time 2030, 90% of two-wheelers in India will be electric vehicles. If you see, there is a consistent growth reaching 7.54% in July. Okay, scooter it is almost 21%. Again, key states like Maharashtra, Karnataka, UP or Gujarat, or you can take any one other else, 30% penetration. Now, this is a very good penetration. Okay, this shows then how electric vehicle two-wheeler segment is growing. Again, Tier 3 and Tier 4 also seen a rapid growth against the last year. When we talk about Ola premium portfolio, that also shown growth, and again they launched some mass segment has resulted almost 77% year on year growth in deliveries. So this is when, no, that is why, no, if you see, no, year on month, year on year, no, they are actually it is not a old, it's not a big old company. It is almost 3 to 4 years, before Ola started, but no, almost 5 years. But no, they have taken a lot of market share in two wheelers. Okay, and their products are doing very well, and this is what the future lies. Now this is where the future lies, is nothing but they have launched now motorbikes, now motorcycling. They are going to launch, no, they already launched on 15th August. So an adventure cruiser, roadster and diamond head, these are some of the bigger launches of Ola Electric, and that is a market is very very, excited about that. They also announced that they are going to go into AI chips and all that, some another business also in the delivery business also they are talking about, that is fast e-commerce they are talking about, they are going to go. But anyways, that are the side business, but the main business lies this two wheelers, and of course in that motorcycle also is going to come in future. So talking about that, guys, they already launched electric motor vehicle portfolio. Okay, motorcycle portfolio. Again, currently if you see, the motorcycle is almost 65% of two wheelers market. Now this is the segment of where Ola Electric never ventured. Now they venture, they already launched now. Also, there, if you talk about gross profit, is on a lower side, but yes, slowly and gradually they are improving on it. Ola is able to improve their adjusted gross margin through the investment in R&D and D and vertical integration. What is vertical integration? Now, when you are producing any scooter, okay, you are doing the production, lot many other, like, some of the things you give it to auto ancillary companies, small companies, but they are trying to make it by themselves. Even the batteries also they are working on it. So this is when, they are getting slowly and gradually into much more profitable manner. Okay, similarly, guys, the one of the biggest success story in future may lies on the how Ola Gigafactory will perform. Okay, they are working on it. Again, no production, welding, formation, these are some of the peaks, where Ola, you can say, then they are working on each and every segment, where the production lies, and they want to optimize the cost. Now when we talk about future factory, now there was all, if you know Tesla also have a future gigafactory and all that. Similarly, they have also planned lot many things. Also, guys, when we talk about the Ola Gigafactory, phase 1 is already completed on May 31st. Okay, and you can see it is 1.4 gigawatt. Similar, phase 1B will be 5, phase 2 will be 6.5, and further phases will be around 20 gigawatt. So once this is in operation, that is going to help a lot Ola Electric. Also, guys, uh, commencing use of 4680 cells starting from Q1. Now Q1 financial year 26. Now what is 4680 cells? These are the products battery they are produced by them only. Almost 30,000 battery they already produce. This is when no vertical integration I'm talking about. No, because they are currently acquiring batteries from outside. If they are able to do it by themselves, no, they will able to reduce the cost, and that is what they are working, thoroughly on that. So what about 4680 Bharat cell? If you see, it is 5x energy, 1.5x faster charging, 10% lower range, and 70 plus patents they already have on the battery segment. So if this become a success, no, this will immensely benefit Ola Electric in the future, because battery is one of the major costs of any scooter, okay, any electric vehicle. When we talk about the consolidated profit, no, if you see, slowly and gradually, they are actually the revenue is increasing, and you can see the main thing is gross margin. Now they were at a 21.6, which is one of the highest recently, and loss slowly and gradually they are bringing it down. Okay, slowly and gradually they are bringing it, not complete gone away, but still it is a loss making. But yes, they are working on the optimizing costs and bringing the profitability up. Now, when we talk about electric vehicle, no guy, that is what I was saying, that quarter two financial 20 11% share, and you can see here now it is almost 49% share. Now this is where you can see, no, Ola Electric is beneficial a lot. No, that is where, no, they are taking market share, and when you start taking this type of market share, you are going to benefit a lot, because at the end the economy of scales comes into picture. And when in future your cost is optimized, you will start generating good amount of profit. That is what happened to Zomato, and that is what happened with most of the private equity players. When they come, policies and all that, they concentrate on acquiring market first, and they get enough money through the private equity players. Yeah, there are private equity players line up, no, venture capital line up to fund all these type of venture. So there is no fund problem. There is lot of fund involved here, but they are already getting through private equity player. Similarly, how much the funding the Ola Electric has raised and against the competitors. Now, this is so interesting to understand, guys. You see, almost 1 billion they've already raised. Rest, no, Gogoro 480 million, Ether 430 million, Empire 229 million. So this is almost twice of next competitor which Ola Electric already raised. But they are betting on acquiring the markets, and in future when it will become profitable, I think they will get a good, you can say, no, stock price hike. At the end of the day, once the company will become profitable after making, after loss making, no, there always a big PE expansion in that type of company. Now, Ola Electric, when we talk about and we compare with the competitors, no, you can see here PS comparison. You can see here, no, almost against TVS, Eicher, Bajaj Auto, Hero Motorcorp, no, the margin is the lowest. Okay, EBITDA is negative. Why all are positive here? Similarly, EBITDA is negative here, positive again. EV, but EV market share, when we talk about, no, you can see here, no, 34.8, 34.8 compared to TVS Motor is 19.3. Now what it shows, it shows that the way, the how the, no, policy of Ola is there in acquiring the market share. But however, when we talk about the profitability, you will always feel that Ola Electric is not the way to go. But this is when, no, currently the scenario is little bit different. I'm going to talk about that in detail. Now, when we talk about comparison with other market peers, no, you can see here the ROE of all other companies are positive. This is no not there, because no, still it is a loss making. ROC also negative. Okay, so all these metrics, if you see, no, this is much, you can say, no, negative point of view. Even if you see Ola Electric 6.41 debt divided by equity, the debt to equity ratio 6.41. Ideally it should be less than 1, but here it is 6.41, and TVS Motor is 3.83. But if they are able to grow their segment, and there is still a lot of potential lying in two wheeler, then they will able to reduce their debt also by repaying them. That will come in future, it is not going to come here. So that is the point only you have to bet if you really want to bet on Ola Electric, because otherwise if you see the current ratio, not at all compelling against the competitors. Now, when we talk about the some of the outlook, future outlook, how is the future outlook? So, talking about future outlook, guys, no, like Indian industry is projected to grow at around 11%. Okay, and our two wheeler will be from 2.8 trillion to 3.6 trillion by financial year 28. So big rise. Again, EV manufacturing cost may fall by 20 as I told you. As and when Ola Electric will start working on all this stuff, they'll able to reduce the cost. Again, no, basically internal consumption engine scooters cost may go up. Okay, again policy support is also there. Again, success in Ola battery venture will enable the complete produce batteries cost comparable to imported ones. So वही तो बोल रहा हूँ, basically if you can say about battery venture, no, if they are able to produce battery which are much more cost effective, they don't have to import, they don't have to take it from someone else, and there the cost will go down. In ideal scenario, Ola could manufacture batteries that meet global standard and reduce cost by 15 to 20 per kilowatt. So this is what you have to understand. Similarly, when we talk about Ola Electric, it is the only automaker who has both approved PLI scheme for advanced automotive technology and cell chemistry batteries. This PLI scheme is helping a lot. This is because of one of these government support only, the Ola Electric is able to reduce the cost. And that is why अभी थोड़े कम लग रहे हैं losses, otherwise it could have been much more. Again, new electric vehicle bikes between 75,000 to 2.5 lakh, further expanding Ola portfolio. This is where now the company is betting a lot. Electric vehicle bikes. Of course, they looks very fancy. They looks very attractive. But let's see how the sales will be. How will be the, you can say, consumer experience and all that. At 146, no, Ola Electric was almost, you can say higher valuation than Elon Musk Tesla. And that is what, no, our retail investors are so, no, thanksgiving. And what you said, na, suddenly koi electric vehicle ka stock aaya, let us plunge on that. Even during the IPO, no, retail segment was the first segment who got almost on the first day, if I remember, 2.5 times subscription. And that is when, no, all, you can say retail investors are going gongo on Ola Electric. But let's see whether it is able to give that type of return or not. Again, the company is poised to enhance profitability in the long term to improve scalability and vertical integration. Vertical integration, nothing but no, you are able to produce all related parts by yourself only, and that is going to help you out. Okay. Again, what are the various risks involved in this? The various risks is that slow pace on EV adoption in India, but slow means EV adoption going on but at a slow pace, but I think that may not happen also. But let's see, because electric vehicles are a little bit costly only. But what we can see, the pace is quite good currently. Again, intense competition, of course there is lot of competition of TVS, Bajaj, Hero Motor, and again Aether, and there are lot many other unlisted companies also. Unpredictable regulatory environments, कुछ भी आ सकता है, कुछ भी suddenly, if you have some blast in some of the vehicle, then your production may stop. And government have some other policies that also may impact. Again, risk related to battery manufacturing. The battery manufacturing जो कर रहे, hope they able to cover everything in schedule, hope they are able to complete everything in schedule. But if it does not happen, then the cost may go up for this company. So this is what you have to keep in mind when we talk about the key risks. So talking about Ola Electric, guys, this is I just try to make you understand what is the future outlook and everything. But one thing is for sure, guys, this stock is exciting, no doubt about it, but there are a lot many risks also involved with that. And again, this is a stock now where there are lot many if and buts. Still, Ola Electric has to prove themselves by coming into profitability. If you see in the past, guys, there are lot many loss many stock, they become profitable, then they can give you a multi-bagger return. But there are stocks like Paytm and some of the stocks which is very promising, but somehow they not become profitable. Now it is hurting investment. So investors. So basically, you have to keep in mind, if you really want to invest in this type of stock, guys, your risk is always on a higher side. But believe me, guys, if it able to turn around, it looks promising currently, I am not denying that it looks promising, then it can give a great return. So as an investor, guys, now if you already hold, you can hold it, just see 1 or 2 quarter how they are able to perform from here. Okay. And if things are selling, no, I think this can be a good stock. But as I told you, it is for the risky risk covers people, means अगर आप risk ज्यादा लेना चाहते हो तो ये stock में जाना. That is the disclaimer I want to give it to you. Again, guys, I am not holding this stock. Many of my clients may be holding, then I don't know. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst, guys. This is just for your information and understanding, because a lot many investors ask me about this. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, do click the like button, do subscribe to our channel, and share it to as many as people possible. And if you want to learn how to analyze a stock like this, I given our workshop link. The costing is 1500 rupees. I'm giving it to you free. Click it and do join it in our next session. So I'll see you soon next, guys, tomorrow with next video. If you want any stock to be covered from my side, put it in the comment box. See you and see you.